Jim Linn here. Welcome to the channel. Now, does YouTube really need yet another channel about plastic kit modelling? Well, of course it does. YouTube needs all the channels it can get so that it can sell advertising. But do you need another channel? Possibly. I'm hoping that you're looking for something new. And I'm hoping that you'll give this brand new channel a fair go and subscribe. But why am I starting this channel? Well, back in 2020, I was an airline captain working for an airline called Flybe. Well, they ceased trading at the start of COVID, and after that, there was just no way back for me, so I haven't flown since. But I still needed something to keep my brain working. So for some reason, in 2021, I started a YouTube channel. That's Mr. Linn's Workshop. You can find a link in the description. But that channel, it was mainly a vehicle for me to learn something new. Now, whilst it is a real pain finding a level of production consistency, I found that I did really enjoy the learning process. And now that I've got a reasonable level of production quality, I feel that now is the time to use those skills to address something that's been bugging me for quite a few years: my stash. Here's what it looks like at the moment. It's safely packed in moisture controlled boxes in my loft, but there's over 55 kits in there, mostly unbuilt, but some have been started and a lot of them are actually quite rare. Now, I've hardly touched a kit, apart from buying them of course, in the past 50 years, so I've set myself a challenge. Can I build them all, and some new ones, in 3 years? So that's over 55 kits by the end of 2028. Do you think I can do it? Let me know in the comments. But the question is where to start. Well, having attended Telford for the last 8 years and having watched quite a few YouTube channels, it's clear to me that our hobby has come on leaps and bounds since the 1970s when I first started. But even though I've got that large stash to get through, I've decided to start with a new kit. This one. This is Airfix's 2021 tooling 1/48 scale de Havilland chipmunk. So why not join me on my journey to rediscover the simple pleasure of building kits? So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time on Mr. Linn's Model Shop.